2 hours into the bulk fermentation, so I'm going to do 2 more hours, 4 hours of bulk fermentation, and then I'm going to shape it into a loaf. So this is 4 hours of bulk fermentation, and I'm going to shape my sourdough bread now. This is after 4 hours of bulk fermentation. I'm ready to shape the sourdough now. This is the dough after spending 8 hours of cold fermentation overnight, and I took it out at 8 o'clock, and now it's 9 o'clock. So this is just an hour after the cold fermentation, so 1 hour at room temperature. But I proofed it for 4 hours before I put it inside the refrigerator last night. Okay, so it's about an inch on top of the rim of the loaf pan, and I think I just need an hour more, and I'll start preheating the oven. bread is very, very soft despite it not having any fat, oil, butter, or shortening or margarine in it. Just flour, water, yeast, which is the starter, and salt and 3% molasses for color. It's a little hard to slice because the top crust is kind of chewy and crusty, and the bottom is not because I used a loaf pan. If this is in an open form style, meaning no loaf pans at all, the sides and the bottom will be crustier and crispier or harder. But I did not do that. I also did not use any steam at all because I do not want it super crusty on the outside because I've been eating crusty breads for the past 1.5 months. And so there you have it. This is my soft sourdough loaf bread.